Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is December 24th, so Merry Christmas to all that is watching at home. And today I got a short video for you today. We got one Evolving Skies Build and Battle box and two packs from the past, one Unified Minds, and one Cosmic Eclipse that might possibly be a victim of reseal. So we'll find out soon enough, but first let's get into this Evolving Skies box. And hopefully I don't get hit with the evolving cries like everyone likes to say about this set. Let's see. Oh, there we go. We got nice Galarian Zapdos and 4 Evolving Skies. Let's get these out of the way. And let's hope we get some Christmas magic. This pack looks fairly easy to open. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. First hollow. Oh, one hollow. So we got a hollow to start off the night. Oh, these packs seem way too easy to open. Yeah, I don't like that. Green back. I don't know what that means yet. No, there's multiple colors on these backs of these code cards. One means good, one means you're screwed. And nothing. Oh, dropping those. I don't like these packs, even though they're much easier to open. I don't like how easy it is to open. They seem kind of fake, but they probably aren't. I'll take that. Not much of a hit, but it's better than nothing. Dang. Alright. Another green back. I think I saw something. I haven't seen him in a while. Pikachu. Yep, I definitely see something. Come on. Last pack magic out of this box. Oh, wow. I don't have you yet. Welcome to the collection. That is actually really good centering on this card. Alright, let's sleeve you up. And let's put you off to the side. Welcome. Alright. Clean this up. Unified Minds. Let's see. Never opened one of these packs before. Yeah, see, that's how a pack should feel opening. Now, I don't know the code trick on these, or card trick, so I'm just gonna do 4. Fire, water. Misty's favorite. Is that 2? No, that's 1. Legend, Onyx, Legend, Oh, hollow gauze buff. Not bad, actually. Alright, we'll take that. It's off to the side, and now, reason why I'm saying this might be resealed. I've never seen that, and up in the corner, kind of looks like it has been resealed. It's opened a little, but bought this from my local shop. Let's find out if there's anything in it. Well, it seems pretty easy, hard to open, so. 4-card trick. Let's stick with fire. Let's see, fire. Oh, fairy energy, roller skater, Clefairy. What the hell's going on with that monkey? Reverse hollow, and okay, we got a hollow out of it. Not what I wanted, but it is something. So let me get these sleeved up real quick and I will be right back. Alright, so now after getting all of them sleeved up, majority of them not too good of hits. I actually kind of like this hollow, but it's still a hollow. I have yet to check out this price, but I'm sure by the time this video is uploaded, the price will be right here. And what is that? Okay, it was on the card, cool. And hopefully that's worth something. Probably not, but this is also a cool promo card. But that's pretty much the hits for Christmas Eve. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.